still hear you. Hey guys, we're back with another video. If you're new here, my name's Janelle, and I hope everyone's doing great both physically and mentally today. We have a guest feature, my sister, jhnealwilliams. Follow her on all platforms. I'll just, put her name somewhere up here. But in today's video, we kind of did a splurge. Yeah, so we're just gonna do a little unboxing video, and we're gonna get right to it.
Let's get to it. Let's get
mine. Yeah, we're gonna save at the same time. All right, bro. It's not real.
It's not.
Oh god. Okay.
Oh my god.
Like,
let me open.
It said our name.
What your name?
Same. Guys, we're twinning.
We're twinning. We're opening real good. Real good.
Is there a seal? Oh, it's right here. Look. You have to do aesthetic. Hold on. Wait. Okay. It's down.
We'll just go down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be the one.
I will be the one to go sideways. Oh, mine's messed up. Oh, yours
Mine's
is messed up.
Bruh.
Okay, now you.
Yeah, just, yeah. Oh my god. It's like Christmas.
Ready?
What? Okay, hold on. Let's put it down. We crisscross. Alright.
Okay.
1,
Ready?
2.
No, I'm not ready. No,
Okay,
I'm not ready.
I've been cheesing all day for this. Alright, 1.
We waited for y'all. Like we waited for y'all.
Yeah, a whole like 7 hours. Like,
so tell me.
yeah, it's here. Set.
No, I can't. No, mine's like coming out. Oh my
Oh my
god.
God.
Open
Okay.
it like this.
Oh.
Yeah, it's heavy too. It's heavy.
So yeah, very durable.
It's heavy.
You know it. Okay, let's get back to this. You know, Apple always get their little thing that serves no purpose that you always throw away.
Another
Mine's in my
charger that we
box.
don't need. Keep it in there.
No, because where's the box? I need a box. Apple needs to stop doing this. Apple, you need to stop doing this.
I don't even need all those chargers.
I need a box.
Like,
I got like 15 chargers. Oh my
keep it
god,
in there.
it's an AirPod Max.
We got it. Security.
There's a
guy.
sleep mode. Oh my god, this is a smart case.
That's what it comes with.
Oh my gosh, I did not know that. Let me actually read it.
Yeah, I didn't even read none of that. I'm trying to look at the camera like.
The camera?
Oh, the camera.
The camera.
My. Oh my.
Oh my god.
Come on, get them together.
Okay, I'm coming. Alright. Where do you rip? Oh, right here.
Yeah. No, right here.
Oh, hold on. Oh, it's magnetic.
Yes.
Oh, she bougie.
Rip it out of plastic.
Got me acting brand new. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. This little purse.
What?
Yeah. Wow. Oh.
no.
I was like, that's
No,
not cute.
no,
That's
no.
not cute. Oh my god.
All right, now it's time to put them on. Put them on. Put them on.
Twinning them. I can still hear you.
Oh
Rip
my
me
God.
out the. Oh, I just turned it on.
Mine just. Did you hear that little ding sound?
Yes. I pressed this button though.
How do I look? How do I look? I look like an idiot.
Shut up.
Oh,
You're loud. You're loud.
I look like an idiot with these on, y'all.
Rip me out the plastic.
Yo,
bag.
we look so stupid right now.
With the bonnet.
With the bonnet. With the
Yeah.
bonnet is crazy, but catch me.
Rip me out the plastic. Got me acting brand new.
Brand new. Rip me out the box. I've been acting. This box still heavy and it's out. Like that's how you know it's bougie.
It's not a dupe, guys.
It's not a dupe.
Not a dupe.
No.
This way.
I'm keeping my bag. I keep all my bags.
Rip me out the plastic. Got me acting brand new.
Oh boy. They
Hey.
heavy too. Like,
They're like durable.
Like
I gotta do like a running review. Cause like, like
oh my god.
we gotta do a sound test. We gotta see if we can hear each other.
Turn it on. Let me get my phone. Oh wait, you have your phone.
Nah.
Oh, we don't don't even need that anymore though. You can get your phone.
Okay, bet. Oh god. Yeah. Like usually, like when you open the Apple case, let's just go to settings. Don't connect, bro. This is why you gotta read instructions.
Oh cat, bro.
You look stupid. Side eye.
Side eye. You look real dumb.
Real bad. It's not. I think maybe it's dead. Apple always come with like 50% charge.
Yeah, it's dead. You rip it out the. It is green on there. Oh.
I get it.
Wait,
Wait, not your AirPod Max. Yours is connected. Hold on, let me back away from you, bro.
Damn, it says not your AirPod Max.
Yes. How I know?
You wanna hold 5 seconds?
Hold on. Why it's not connecting?
Below keto. This should be black.
It should be black. Wait, how'd you turn it on? Mine's not connected. Dang, it's
Press the
defective.
button.
It's defective. Oh, there's a light. Scoot over, cut. I'm falling off the bed. God. Wow. Bruh.
This is Janica's AirPod Max.
Ha, gotcha, bitch. It just took me a minute.
Alright, we gotta listen to the same thing.
Janelle.
Maxes. We look so dumb right now. I just
Okay. So what song we playing?
Alright,
It's the do.
let's see. Let's see. Oh, I know that song.
Alright. Let's hear it.
Freestyle.
Oh yeah.
I look so dumb right now.
Tell me when to start.
Ready? Set.
Right.
Go.
Turn it all the way up.
I press up.
Can you hear me?
No.
Can you hear me?
Can't
No. Are you talking?
No.
Are you
I can't
talking?
hear you. I am talking.
I can't hear you.
It's crazy. Like, I mean. Damn.
Can you hear me?
No, I can't.
Am I loud?
Are you loud?
Am I loud?
Okay.
You go.
Am I loud?
Go. You try to talk normal. You try to talk normal.
I don't think it's all the way up.
Listen. No, listen. Pause it. This idiot. No, look. Take it off. Look. You heard how loud it is?
That shit's
Look. It's like a speaker. Wait.
Yeah.
Can you turn it out for it to be that would have been cool.
Yeah, that would be.
Apple, take notes.
Take notes, Apple.
Because that would be so cool if it could lay it down and be a speaker.
You're. It's already invented. Be for real.
Yo! It's not that loud. But yeah, it's like maybe your phone volume. Dracos. That just made me feel so bougie. Like, I feel expensive. How do you turn it off? Just the same button?
No idea, probably.
Oh, that just disconnected it.
I think you just put it in a case.
That's so smart. Let's see. I ain't never gonna use this case. I'm not gonna lie.
You know? Oh, you
Got my stand. I don't know.
Not when you have it in a bag.
Yeah, you're right.
It's off, yeah. Just like that. Just like that. Well, it's your turn now to get.
Okay, y'all.
Where is the box? The box fell. Wait, did it? Where is it?
It's right there. Oh my god, Merry Christmas, Jen.
We lost it.
It's right there. You lost the iPad and the pencil.
What? Oh, what? Oh, what?
Okay, let's put these bags up. She said, y'all are gonna need 3 bags. You need an escort to your car.
Escort? Like, let's be for real. No, I know. Because I'm going to run and host. You cannot put that in there.
Ooh, no, not at all. Okay, you open this. You're gonna be the little pencil girly.
The pencil girl.
Yeah.
It's nighttime. Chill on me, bro.
Alright.
Rip me at the plastic I've been
Acting brand new.
No one talk to me like I am rich.
Literally.
Like literally no.
I can never open these iPad boxes because my last one I struggled. This one ain't no better. Oh my god.
The
She's
pencil
so
is
sleek.
here.
I can't open it.
Bro, be for real right now.
Side eye.
Ooh, it's cute. I like the feeling of this one better. Yeah, I definitely feel it.
Oh, okay.
It's shorter.
It is shorter. It's kind of like that though. It's more realistic.
What is? Oh, probably just. What is that?
Why is it heavy? It's just a box. Oh, There's probably like tips and stuff.
Oh yeah. Big ass booklet.
There ain't no tips in here.
I barely had the concept got it.
Tell me that. Tell me that's not
share
her.
it. Did you share
I
it?
did.
Did you?
Yeah. For iPad with Apple Pencil 2nd generation magnetic connector. Huh, about time.
Ooh.
Yo, I have to use this in the box. I don't have a case. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's so thin.
It's so big.
It's a computer. Oh my god. Hold on, let me get my other one. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh my god, it's so
It's Face ID.
big. Why'd you need get this big one?
I want that one.
This one?
Yes.
Janelle, this is a computer. Be for real.
Yo. Yo. Talk about an upgrade.
I need to upgrade. No way. I can't be this.
Oh my god. I need to give Angie my pencil.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's look at the difference. Did I put it back in here? I wonder why I would do that. Where's it on the bed?
Mad crazy. Like it's huge.
Bro, I lost the pencil. I just started. Did the case that we ordered have the? Well, we didn't order yet, but does it have the pencil thing? Well, you don't even need a pencil holder. It connects to the side.
Oh, you never needed a pencil holder.
I do. I'm not responsible.
Pencil holder makes it better to be responsible.
Like, oh, there it is. Yo, hold on.
Yeah, I don't know if even the internet gonna work.
Wi-Fi. Connected to my hotspot.
No, it's not. This is insane. This is
insane.
This is actually insane.
It's not connected,
I'm jealous.
bro.
I'm real jealous, actually.
It's big as my computer.
Literally.
Yeah, I did not know that it was that big. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm real jealous.
Next time, think.
Because I can do all my work on here. For real. Because it's like big. It's like, okay.
No,
I
bro.
can, it's like I got a little more motivation when it's this bigger, you know, to work on here. And I'm sure that I have a little more motivation to work. But.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you lame. I'm in a lane. Fuck the brain. I'm insane, insane. Pick up a chick on the chain. Pick up a chick in the flame. Crazy can make you upset. Credit card rich, they upset. Yeah, credit for the pussy on upset. Yeah, Cardi B brain on offset. Credit can make you upset. Credit card rich, they upset. Yeah, credit for the pussy on offset. Yeah, credit B brain on offset. You get this motherfucker started. God, you took your bitch at the party. God, I took your bitch at the party. God, you that big blast, Martian. God, you that don't blink in the cut. God, who got the bricks in the truck? God, the diamonds go hit like a bitch on a bitch ass bitch.
Oh, facts. You driving? Y'all. Bigger than my head.
I'm jealous. Pretty bad. Even though I'm using mine like that.
I use mine every day.
I think I. Oh yeah, you gotta do your outro. Oh wait, you could do one.
No, I'm gonna just do thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Yeah. You know,
You guys be like, thanks guys.
it's be
or
like
should I
it's
read
not
it?
working.
Oh yeah.
Read it and then be like it's not working.
Beautiful. I can say right here.
Yeah.
So guys, oh it worked.
It worked.
I'm setting up my Face ID.
The Face ID.
Jump scare. This is always so awkward to me.
Yeah, me too. See my whole life.
Look at my eyeballs. Crazy. Yo. This is not real.
This is something good to edit on. So big.
Yeah, it's huge. It's enormous.
It's still so good.
It's so sleek. So what 3 words you would use to describe it?
3 words is smooth, fi, and convenient.
That's what I was gonna say. I would say it's very sleek, durable, and loud. That'll do it. My iPad, big as F. That's all I really got for it. It got Face ID and this little magnetic thing, but besides that, it's just an upgrade. Like, yeah, it's your turn next. It's time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's time.
I feel like I should have got right. Alright. I should have got
Okay, well, this is setting up the Apple idea. ID. Idea. This is setting up the Apple ID.
Stupid.
So yeah, thanks for joining our little unboxing. We finna go eat.
We finna go.
So yeah,
eat.
hope you guys come back for the next video.
Please like, comment, and
And subscribe.
And I'll see you guys.